To accept charges and consent to this recorded call,
Rory, chop that shit up.
Thank you for using Securus. You may start the conversation now.
Young Shy, you killed this track.
You good?
Yeah, dog. Motherfucking vibes, man.
I'm in the yo right now trying to lay this bit down. Hey, Trey, you ran off with this one.
Shut up about this song. Shut up about this song. Shut up about this song. A lot of people where that's one from.
I wanted deep pockets, instead I got a deep heart. I play the hands I was dealt, I never switch cards. I get emotional every time I think about my past. Never cared about coming first, cause I was built to last. They say you're the strongest when you at your lowest. Never made excuses, won't ever show it. Give it all I got, I'm going all in. I'm taking all my losses and turning them to win. Straight up out the slum, I'm straight up out the slum. Coming straight up out the slum. A lot of people don't make it where I'm from.
Straight up out the slum. Hell, where you at come from? Straight up out the slum. Away from the slum.
All wins, now I got them calling. He be the one to really love you, got a question. Never give up on yourself, cause it's a time thing. Now stay down till you shine, it's gon' fall in. Be the one you count on, don't let them count you out. And throw away your fears, don't even speak it out your mouth. And when they throwing stones, pick it up and build a house. And never keep your head down, belief don't come with doubt. Before the shine, 10 out of 10, you go through rain. And tell me what's joy if you never experienced pain. Championship dreams come on work during the season. I can't forget the goal, when you make it, don't start sleeping. And Melly, you a hero, I just wanna let you know. To see you hold it down and it's tell me you the GOAT. Until you get home, I keep a phone for me to pick up. And being your big brother, one of the things that I'm proud of. I love you. I wanted deep pockets, instead I got a deep heart. I play the hands I was dealt, I never switch cards. I get emotional every time I think about my past. Never cared about coming first, cause I was built to last. They say you're the strongest when you at your lowest. Never made excuses, won't ever show it. Give it all I got, I'm going all in. I'm taking all my losses and turning them to win. Straight up out the slum, I'm straight up out the slum. Coming straight up out the slum. A lot of people don't make it where I'm from.
Straight up out the slum.